Inevitably, the residue of frequent emotional churning leaves its traces. No wonder actors are prone to being neurotic and highly strung. It is an adrenaline rush. Actors inhabit the world of the characters they play and willingly expose themselves to varied and demanding emotional roller coaster rides. This has many effects: the highs of success, the lows of failure. Coming under the glare of public scrutiny, all this often leads to anxiety and depression. Nobody believes this. An actor is supposed to be the epitome of confidence and positivity. Friends and family are often unable to understand this. Even small irritations start assuming the proportions of insurmountable obstacles. The more you struggle against it, the more tightly the depression holds you in its grip. At such times, you need professional help. Dr. Anjali Chhabria has equipped hundreds of vulnerable people with the ability to recognize symptoms of depression and find the strength to overcome feelings of hopelessness before it becomes too late. So, here's to Anjali Chhabria.
Thank you, Shabana ji.
Hi, good evening, everybody. I never knew that I've got to speak here, Anjali. I was not prepared. Anyway, Namaskar. Congratulations, Anjali. You've done a good job, but I don't think death is not the answer. Death is the answer. Kyun? Death of ignorance, death of wrong image of yourself, death of your ego, and stupid ideas. Death of egos. Ego means a wrong image about your own self. And people usually are not taught to love themselves. I don't know why. People should love themselves. I love myself every day in the morning, you must say, when you get up, at any age. We say that to a little baby, and who's the little baby inside us? We have a little baby inside us too. I was not come prepared. क्या पढ़ना है? अरे मैंने क्या लिखा याद भी नहीं. You should have told me. I just left my thing in the car. Anyway, death here, what Anjali says, is not the answer. Means you have to pay for what you've done. If I take today a bank loan, I've got to pay it. Simple as that. No? So what is there in the running away from things what we've done? In Hindi, we were taught in childhood, हमें भागना नहीं है, हमें जागना है. जागना है means have the knowledge, jagna, gyan, the right knowledge, and bhagna means running away. And there's no point. That is not the answer, because मरकर भी नहीं हुआ तो फिर कहाँ जाएंगे? फिर you've got to come back. You've got to pay again. And even in real life, if you do not understand a simple situation, it keeps on coming again and again to you. It keeps on again. You've got to complete it. And life is full of, actually, Anjali, I think we're taking life too seriously. Life we have to learn to take life easy. Like Shabana was talking about films and movies and scenes and roles. If you start feeling that we are just playing a role, and my driver is playing the role of a driver, and my wife is playing the role of in a woman's costume, and my cook is playing the role of a cook who cooks food. Everybody is a soul. The moment we start understanding that we are a soul with a body, not a body with a soul. मेरे अंदर soul है नहीं. I, the soul, am carrying a body through which I express myself. Without the body, you cannot. So the moment you start realizing your originality of soul is what? Peace, love, happiness, knowledge, power. Those 7 qualities which everybody knows. If I am peace, I am love, and that is my original quality. So my job today, in this lifetime, is to go back to my original quality. जैसे आपको भगवान ने भेजा है, you got to go back. वो लागा चुनरी में दाग लिखा था ना किसी ने, वैसे क्यों दाग करके जाएं? You got to go back to your original self. And the moment you understand that you are a soul and start believing it, you will start looking at the other person as a soul who has come to work and do his duty. Like I was playing Mazdoor in Mazdoor, Dilip Kumar was playing Mazdoor and I was playing his boss. So Dilip Sahab has not become my Mazdoor. As soon as the director says cut, ठीक है, yes sir, after having a better sir, I say, but at that time he's playing the role. But originally he is Dilip Sahab or Kohli, Amitabh, whatever. So in the same thing, if we follow here in real life, the Mera Cook hai, he is playing the role. Both of us are souls. But we have got to understand that the other person is also soul. I am a soul that day. This death is not the answer. अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Oberoi. Thank you so much. मुझे डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला था मिस्टर ओबराय को बुला लो तुम. There you go. Fantastic. All right. Miss Wahida Rahman, can we have a huge round of applause for her, everyone? Please, please, please. Shabana ji. Mr. Oberoi, please, if you join up. Everyone, all the guests here. Mr. Sangvi. Mr. Bhansali, sir, please, if you could please join us up on the stage. Dr. Shetty, Dr. Shetty, Dr. Shetty, Dr. Shetty. Calling Dr. Shetty, please, up on stage for the photo op, sir. मिस नीतू घोष एंड मिस नताशा, क्या आप दोनों अब आ सकते हैं स्टेज पे डॉक्टर छाबड़िया के साथ एक फोटो ऑप के लिए प्लीज. नताशा जी आप भी आ जाएं. नीतू जी आप भी आ जाएं. First, let's do a photo op with the ladies, with the lovely ladies, Neetu and Natasha, right there. Photographer भाइयों.
करना है, अपने आप को पहचानना फ्रॉम द डेथ. आपको हमेशा जवान महसूस, अपने आप का वो उम्फ जो है उसको आप पहचाने तो आप कई मतलब छतों पर नहीं जाएंगी, किसी के पास नहीं जाएंगी और जिंदगी को प्यार करेंगी. सबसे पहले मैं तो सिर्फ सुनने आई थी, जैसे कहते हैं हर घर कुछ कहता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके घर में कुछ ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी लगता है कि आप अपने लोगों को सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं. मुझे 2 लाइन कहना है कि जब मुझे कहा गया कि डॉक्टर छाबड़िया है, मैंने इनको देखा, बहुत कोमल, बहुत ही सीधी, इनकी आवाज़ भी मेरे कान तक नहीं पहुंच पाती. पहली बात, मैं अपने लिए नहीं गई थी, मैं जिंदगी को और मौत को दोनों को चुनौती देती हूँ. आई हैव लिव्ड द लाइफ इन फुलेस्ट. और मैं ये हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आपने आके शेयर करा, पर आप जैसी छोटी छोटी बच्चियों ने ऐसा किया क्यों कि आप घबरा गई. सबसे पहली बात है, अभी हमने इप्सन फेस्टिवल किया था जिसमें कि डॉल्स हाउस में नौरा कहती है जब उसका हस्बैंड उसके आगे आता है और कहता है कि तुम रुको, तो शी सेज लिसन, तुम माँ हो, तुम वाइफ हो, तो व्हाट शी सेज, नीदर आई एम मदर नॉर आई एम वाइफ, फर्स्ट आई एम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। तो हर औरत को अपने अंदर का वो ह्यूमन बीइंग पहचानना है, अपने आप को अपने आप से प्यार करना है। एंड व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट हर, डॉक्टर अंजलि जिनके लिए मुझे मौका मिल ही गया, कि ये सुनती हैं। हमारे घर में कुछ ऐसा होता है, हम धारणा बना लेते हैं, हम प्रेजुडिस हो जाते हैं, हम एक जजमेंट पास कर देते हैं अपने बच्चों में, अपने जो भी कोई, अरे यार ये तो डिप्रेस रहती है, अरे यार ये अपने बारे में बात करती है। बट मैंने देखा कि इनमें एक पेशेंस है, इनमें एक इतनी कोमलता है, एक ऐसी सुनने की, वी ऑल हैव टू बिकम लिसनर लाइक अस, तो फिर हमारे बच्चों को छत पर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। और अबव ऑल, निगोरी कैसी जवानी।
बाय पॉपुलर डिमांड मैं क्या, मैं मेरी बिसात आपके आगे में गाना गा दूं?
हम तो हॉल ऑफ फेम में पहुंच चुके हैं। एनीवे, निगोड़ी कैसी जवानी है, जो बात सुने ना मेरी निगोड़ी।
Give it up for Miss Ilaru, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत डांटा है मुझे मम्मी ने, बहुत डांटा।
पीछे आ जा। रवीना मैम यहाँ से, सेंटर चलिएगा, सेंटर रवीना जी, सेंटर डायरेक्ट चलो, 1 मिनट अंदर ही।
I mean, I can just keep talking about, people who are my juniors, my seniors. It is, in fact, yesterday when I was talking to Vallabhbhai, he said that I know people who have specially taken a flight, and I don't know where all she's coming. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Raveena Tandon. Where all I've come from? Oh, well, I was in Bangalore yesterday in the afternoon, then I took a 3 a.m. flight to Lucknow. I finished an event in Lucknow. I had a conference for principals. You'll be surprised, you're proud of me. I was actually giving gyan to principals this morning, Shabana ji. Can you imagine? And then I've taken this evening flight and I'm here, and very proud to be here and so happy, and congratulations. And I think this is a very, very important